In this video, I'll show you guys how you can compress a video file without losing the quality. So if you want to do this, watch the video and try and keep it short for you guys, and then you should be able to do this. So first of all, you want to search for how to compress a video file without losing the quality on Google. Next up, scroll all the way down until you find this website, media.io. Click on it, which will send you over to the website. Now, this is a website where you can do this, and as you can see right there, video size without losing quality. So click right here, drag and drop, or hit to add a file. Click on it and then select the file that you want to compress. I'll just go with this clip right here. Click on open, and there you go. You can then choose the format, and you can also choose by how much you want to compress this, okay? So I'll just go with 30%, which is the lowest, and then click on compress right there. Now what they're going to do then is compress your video. Now because this is just a small clip, it's not going to take it only took like 2 seconds, but if your video is longer it might take a while, so just be patient. But all you need to do next is click on download, and it's now downloading my file, and that's exactly how you can do that. So if this video helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.